Today I am going to speak about the deportations of illegal citizens of India who were in United States. The treatment that they have got is so inhuman. We can't accept it. And America doing that can't tolerate it. Even the worst of criminals have got their own human dignity. But our boys from India were handcuffed, chained, and brought to the airport. This is unacceptable. And the worst thing is that the government of India, the Prime Minister, has not condemned this. He claims to be friend of Trump. Now that he is planning to go to United States, I think in protest to the treatment meted to our citizens of India, he should have cancelled his visit to United States. He has not spoken a word condemning the ill treatment meted to our citizens of India. And a small thing I would like to remind Trump that once upon a time his ancestors were surgeons in United States. They migrated from European countries. I think his ancestors came from Ireland. And they killed so many Native Americans. America was not their land. America belonged to the native aboriginals who are known as Red Indians. And Trump is an outsider. He should realize that from what roots his family has come and should have been understanding and human in his dealing with the illegal immigrants.